Hello there, guys. So today I just went ahead and bumped my topic, so I don't know if I do have a trade. Okay, so we'll look at trades, and then I had some other things I wanted to check. Actually, I'm going to check the lost and found impound right now. Okay, we got 4 hours, so we will not be doing that. Okay, let's see what this trade is. Okay, so the first trade I'm going to respond to, I wanted to wait to accept this one. So, Hufflepuff Girl was kind enough to send me a trade, or a gift. So thank you so much, Hufflepuff. We'll be putting these in my favorites group. That was very kind of you. So you're the one who inspired me to make another video. So I hope that you get to see this and you get to enjoy it. But I'm going to thank you on here, and I'm verbally saying thank you so much. This is so sweet. Thank you so much. And then I'll let you know that I'm actually videoing the next video right now. I'm videoing, how about my next video right now? Alright. So that was so kind. And then we've got Nahalo, who wants to trade. I hope this is... Oh! Oh, would you look at that? Now, the reason that I'm hesitant about this is, it's mostly about this guy right here, because he's a little more rare. And this is a store pet, so it's worth a little more than the 2018 just, like, rare. So, okay. So we've got a 2009 rare, which used to be worth one of these guys, but I don't think it's worth that anymore. So I might have to edit this one out. But as far as, like, these go, this is basically a true date swap, kind of. I think that's the same litter, so that's not really fair to me. And then adding this in there, I mean, that helps, but I don't know. We'll fix this up a little bit. I'm going to remove this guy. I'll remove this guy. Let me see if I have any doubles of this guy. Rare. No, it's very rare. It's in high demand that I have it in. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I don't have any doubles of that guy. So, we'll try this. We'll try this and see. No. I don't know. We'll try it. We'll try it. That might be slightly unfair to them. Okay. How's this instead? I don't know. I'm really picky about my store pets because I know that they're really popular now, especially like the older ones. So, let's take a look. Okay, actually I'm going to name these guys. Puffle and Puff. And then I'll have in parentheses June 2010 so that I can remember. Okay. And Puff. Okay, so we'll put them in my favorites, rares, and above. Yeah, so just saying, if you guys ever send me, like, very rare pets or rare pets as gifts, they're always going to go in this group. Like, this group basically consists of mostly it's just rare gifts and store pets, because I always give the store pet sets. Well, I say always. I started doing it in 2020. Whenever they all came out as rares, that's when they stopped coming out as very rare. So, but yeah, I think I got these guys too. These guys I traded. Actually, this one might be a a gift. Oh no. That was a really good, that was when I did $100 chicken bid. Or auction, not bid. So yeah, that was really good. Let's see. Oh, I forgot. I'm still collecting cows. Oh, I love these new cows. They're so cute. I can't remember if I have those on my wish list. Let's go see if I do. And also, I just got a new phone, which is exciting to me, or was exciting, because my old phone did not allow me to sign into Chickensmoothie, so the only way that I could play it was on the computer. But on my new phone, I'm having issues too, so I had to contact Chickensmoothie help and see if there's anything I can do to like get it to work on my phone, because I know that I'm doing the right username and password, but I don't know what the deal is. But hopefully they can get me some help. I don't know if anyone else struggles with that. Like, they're able to get onto their laptops. Are you guys able to get on your laptops fine? And then, like, do you struggle with getting on to your accounts on your phones or what? I don't know if I'm the only one. But, yeah, comment down below if you struggle with that, because if you do, I contacted help, and I'll let you know what they say. Okay. I do have the cows. I don't know if it's all the cows, but no, I don't. I like them all. And then they had the pink cows, which I want to say were for Easter. I think they were. Yeah. I say pink. They're all different colors. Oh, I have them all on the wish list. Okay. Let's look for them now. Chicken Dollar Store. Oh, I don't like trading I think that's a moderator or something, because then they can like ban me for dumb trades. Just kidding. Ooh, let's try to get these guys. See how many cows I can get. I should probably see if they approve of orders, because that is what I am. Oh, I need this guy too. Cool. Possibly even need that guy. Okay, so that is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 16. Let's see if I've got any pets on their wish list. Oh, no. You can see this thing double plus. Oh, okay. I know people like Fennec boxes a lot. Oh, and these guys aren't even supposed to be in there. Oops. These weren't supposed to be in there either. So this person is just gonna... Do you guys ever do that where you're like trading and you see something that's in the wrong trading group and you don't feel like fixing it, so you just go ahead and check them all and put them in one trade just to get rid of them? Because I do that. That's what I'm doing right now. Because I'm just lazy like that. Nope, I still have some. Wow, what in the world? How did I do this? So for those of you who don't know, I typically will put my berry commons and below into the 5 for 1 chicken dollar group. Looks like these people are just getting a bunch of these. And then I'll add in some more irresistible pets, so they'll be more likely to take it. Because if someone sent me a bunch of like, I wouldn't be okay with that order, because I'm trying to get rid of those. So we'll just do one older uncommon that I have a lot of. One of these guys. Okay, but I have thousands of those, so we'll see. Yeah, we'll just do these guys. Hopefully they accept, because this took me. This work for you. Oops. All of that. Oh my goodness, I just wasted all my time on that. Alright, well, I don't really want to put 8 pets from 1 pet. I'm sorry. Well, first of all, there's no message. Let me cancel that. I'm sorry. I don't like to trade. Honestly, I'm trying to just trade up right now. So if I could trade a bunch of commons and uncommons for rares and very rares and stuff like that, that's what my goal is right now, because I just have an overabundance of all the common ones. So let's try this again. Tried to bump my topic again. I just quote what I wrote on the first page. Submit it. Oops. Is anyone gonna see that? Okay, let's try to find another person to get cows and possibly guinea pigs from. Nope, they don't have anything. Oh man, all my pets are their favorites. Oh, well, I'm gonna try to get these guys. Cause, yeah. Oh, I've got a lot on their wish list, so it should be fine. Cool. Okay, and I've got another trade. I'll take a look at that real quick. I just want to check I have guinea pigs that I'm hoarding, and then I have guinea pigs that I collect. Like, I just have one of each. And okay. So, I don't have any of the ones in my nursery in there. He's a smelly little dude. What if it's actually page 6? Oh, it's not. That would have been cool. I can't remember. Oh, I need to put those in the trade groups. I can't remember. They were one of my last ones that I adopt. Oh, never mind. Okay. There we go, there we go. Already got him in there. So I'll put him in the hoarding group. Alright, guinea pigs. Complete collection. Okay. What? What? Okay. So, this is not very fair at all, because look at the dates. The rarities are fine, but look at the dates. This is 6 years. Well, no, actually 5. Wait, no. Whoa. Hold on. I did my math completely wrong. No. This is 4 years younger than this one. Or older. Oh my goodness. This is 4 years older than this one, and then 5 years older than this one. So there's quite the age gap there. And then this one's 2 years older than this one. So it's not even like one's older and one's younger to make up for the age difference. They're just both, yeah. And then he didn't send a message. So sometimes if they send messages, it's a little easier to work with, but don't know. No! My PDI. I don't know what that is, but okay. Alright, we'll try one more person before I end the video. Petri dish. That's kind of funny. I like the name. If we get another trade before when I'm done with this, let me take a look at it too. Alright. Please have... Oh, man. They're favorites. Everyone likes cows. Everyone likes the cows. Well, hee, I like this guy. Okay, I actually hoard these right here, so. Alright, so we need, no, not very rare. We need rares. An old rare that I'm not going to make as good as this one right here, but I'll add in other pets to make up for it. Okay, let's see. Let us see. I have a lot of the Olympic horses, I think is what they are, from 2010. Yeah, these guys. That one's on the wish list, so. Okay, so that's one 2010. We need some 2016s, but I got a lot on their wish list. Put in some of these guys. Oh, they like my guinea pigs. Oh, not garbage. Okay. We'll do one of those horses. Okay, these guys. Because I literally have pages and pages of them. Okay, and we'll do one of those. Alright. Hopefully they'll like this. Okay. So, since I didn't get any more trades, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. I'll end the video with just saying, like, if you guys have any ideas or anything for future videos, just comment it down below. If there's like challenges you would like to see, or maybe like giveaways, or games that you can play within Chickensmoothie. I don't know, if you guys have ideas, just let me know. What would be really fun, now this is just like an idea that I'm spitting out, is if a couple of you would want to do like a challenge or something where we pick a certain pet and we'll have like a week to collect as much as we can of that pet, and whoever ends up with the most will win the challenge, and then I'll have like a prize for the winner. Or, you know what? No, I would not participate in that. It would be like a few of you guys yourselves would play that, and then the winner would get a prize. So, you guys tell me what kind of pets you would like to collect, and then if you guys, let's say 5 people, we get 5 people who will do this competition at least. It'll be valid if we get 5 people. So what I want you to do, I love how I just thought of this. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is, I want you to message me. My name is HorsesCanter5860 if you don't already know who I am. I want you to message me, basically saying that you want to be a part of the competition. I will go ahead and put in the description which animals we'll do. But I will do that once I get 5 people. So go ahead and start sending those messages, and then I'll keep you guys updated on the game. Like, I'll send you guys your messages on the game and say, okay, the challenge is on, or the challenge is not yet. So yeah, you guys do that. I love how I thought of that just now. So yes, we'll do a challenge. There will be a prize. I'll go into more detail in the next video if I get at least 5 people to participate in this competition, and I will mention what the animal will be, and then you guys will have a week to try to get as many as you can. Alright, well, I don't think we will be getting a response for this last trade, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.